Feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? What if I could save you 90% of your work time every single day? That's exactly what I've been able to achieve, and that's all thanks to these three specific AI tools. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain to show you precisely what they are and how they can help you reclaim your precious hours starting right now. Don't skip a second because your productivity is about to explode. So let's start with the first one, Descript. This platform allows you to co-edit your podcasts, your YouTube videos, you name it, in just a few seconds. They have a new feature called Underlord where you can actually break down even your editing style that you want, and it will bring in animations, it will bring in subtitles, you name it, you can use this with Descript. This has saved me so much time and money with editors, but also if I want to create content super fast with all of this tools and AI tech coming out, I can be using Descript and I can just get to work. Not only that, there's a feature where you can also have a podcasting room. So if you're similar to a Zoom room, you can use that, and then you can easily edit all of those things. Also, when you're going through this, just like you're editing a script, you can cut out all of the filler words, the ohs, ahs, and ums. And if there's any dead time, you can actually eliminate that as well using this platform. The comment section down below, let me know what you're trying to create. Where are you spending most of your time? Is it editing videos or it's something else? The next one I want to talk about is a game changer I use a lot. It's called Notebook LM, and this is free. You can take advantage of this by just having a Gmail account. And what you can do here is you create a notebook based on what your sources are. So why is this so impactful? If you're using other platforms like ChatGPT, which I still use, a lot of times it hallucinates or it makes up different facts or it embellishes a lot of things. Notebook LM really allows you to be on rails when you're creating different things. And I use this especially when I'm working on YouTube videos, titles, descriptions. But if I'm trying to learn something as well, I can pop this in and be able to start learning because you can have a couple different features. You can create a mind map, you can create study guides. This is great if you're a teacher or if you're studying for a class. And you can also do an audio overview or a video overview. There's going to be a link down below of the both of those where it created a podcast of it, of the information we're learning, and the new video overview. Have the link down below so you can test it out and see what it's done over time. This is a game changer. We use this all the time. It's free. Download it, start using it. It's great. Next up, we use Transcript LOL. This allows us to create different blog posts, emails, all of those things in just a few seconds. In fact, when we're trying to take learning sessions from other experts and make them at high school level or middle school level, we put this into Transcript LOL and it's magic. So let's go into an example. This is an example of cloning a repo. So if you're getting started with vibe coding and you want to start using like open source stuff or get stuff from GitHub and you don't know how, we created a whole breakdown of how to do this and we created a blog. So if we look at this right here, this shows us an overview. Let me zoom in. An overview of how we actually do this. And here's an example of what we did during the Zoom session. Keywords, all of those things, what you put into your terminal when you're programming. Basic programming is a game changer, and broken down like this, it's great for beginners. Not only that, you can see right here, we can generate YouTube descriptions, questions, titles, LinkedIn posts, and what we can do is, if we look at the prompt library, we can create all these other ones, lecture topics and bullet points, session worksheets, budget and buying process, customer insights. You can just save this, and then based on the content you bring in, either a video or a podcast, it will make all of this content for you. I will always caution, you have to change some of the prompts if you want it very specific for the type of voice that you want or the type of output you want, but you can just go into options. Where is it? We can go into rewrite, but you can also edit and actually have different prompts as well for the output. In the comment section down below, which one would you start using? Notebook LM, Transcript, or Descript? Now we're going to go through 4 other tools I really enjoy, but what I want you to really focus on is, what are you spending most of your time right now? Is it production? Is it manual tasks? What would it be? Because we can look at these tools, but we can add other ones based on what you're looking for. And if you need help with this, we also offer a guide that's free that can teach you how to use these tools, or join the paid community, or jump on a call with one of our experts on our team. All the links are going to be down below. Let's get into some of the other tools that I really like in there, that we just got to mention them. They would be Opus Clip, repurpose.io, and then we'll look at the last 2 for very specific use cases. So Opus Clip allows you to go from long form to short form. If you're trying to create different shorts on TikTok, on YouTube, wherever it is, you just plug it in and you get the clips. It will actually rate the clips, and then you can schedule the posts and put them out there on your platforms. This is really good if you feel overwhelmed on short form content like myself. I just don't really like it a lot of the times. I want to focus on long form, but this actually gives almost, I would say, a preview of your content. If people aren't ready to watch a long form video, you can edit it, and you can do a lot of editing and just a lot of neat effects with short form content using this. The next tool we would use would be repurpose.io. This is perfect if you're an agency owner and you're putting out a lot of content on other platforms, and you need just like a cascading effect different times during the week, during the day, all those things. Or if you're an e-commerce business, you're a one person business or a small team, this can really speed up your workflow. Imagine if you've heard of something like Zapier or Make, where you can automate things. This is Zapier for content. And you can do a lot more as well, but those are the main things. The next 2 really have to do with content creation. It would be Subscriber, and I think I'm saying it Kawa? I think I'm saying it Kara. I think I'm saying it correctly. These platforms will help you reach your audience. So this one first, Kara, will let you create newsletters really quickly. You can generate different portions. And what I would say, the difference between something like Transcripts that can do newsletters, if you're trying to do very specific niche things with your newsletter and have different smart blocks, like 3 ideas from your content, your favorite things to do, quotes from the videos, it can do all of those things right there. And also you can add a bunch of other things, such as automatic affiliate links. And so this, if you're trying to streamline your approach for your newsletter and you feel overwhelmed, this gives you a lot of custom things you can do with your newsletter and the design, and you can just click it in one click, bring it into kit.com or others, and you can have a really nice newsletter. The other thing I would mention would be Subscriber. This tool really allows you to streamline your approach. If you feel overwhelmed with the process of creating a YouTube video, you can have this on Rails here. If you're in here, you can analyze your competitors, you can research a video, generate titles, get video ideas. So there's tons of different, like I would say, micro tools in here. And then you can actually go into the ideation chat and really start thinking about your content even before you start. You can plug in your channels right here. You can start creating your script and go step by step of what you're doing. If you like these videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. We do this every single week.